Most retail traders are trading price and they obsess over entries. However, the smart money or billionaires are more interested in trading cycles and positioning themselves correctly. If you're new to trading and you're emotional and you're reckless and you're all over the place and you're still asleep, this video might trigger you. It's not going to be for you. But if you're a bit more advanced and more mature and you've been awake for a while and you're into the esoterics and you understand the bigger picture of trading, then this is the video that is going to change the trajectory of your 2026, the year of the fire horse. The fire horse year has many characteristics that you need to know. Otherwise, it could blow up in your face if you're not aware of it. So let's go through the list one by one. First of all, the year of the fire horse, the horse is fast. Things are going to move fast. So that means the market is going to move fast. The fire horse is impulsive. It's very charismatic. It's competitive. And this one is important. It's emotionally amped, so amplified. That means if you're internally you're feeling good, then that's going to expand. Or if internally you're feeling bad, you're in a negative place, that is also going to be amplified. You choose. The horse is proud, and the horse is definitely independent. All of this is what we call expansion energy, amplification. And that is going to have a huge effect on the way you trade the markets this year. You see, this is going to be a high velocity cycle year. 2026 is the year where everything is moving fast. And there's going to be two types of traders that are going to make it and not make it. Okay? The first type is the retail response, the retail trader, what 99% of traders are. And that group of traders, unfortunately, are going to be overconfident. They're going to FOMO a lot. They're going to use high leverage because they're impulsive. And they're going to be addicted to narratives. There are going to be a lot of narratives playing out this year. There's going to be war, there's going to be conflict, there's going to be tariff wars, capital wars, you name it. And retail is always going to be late to the party. They're going to catch the move after the move has already happened. Now, take what resonates and leave what doesn't, okay? Hopefully this video will make sense to you and you can see a part of you in this, and then you're going to know how to maneuver in this year. Smart money will respond differently. They're going to be tactically aggressive, tactical aggression. They're going to rotate their money fast from one asset to the next. That could look like all of a sudden money comes out of Bitcoin and goes straight into gold. Or money could go straight out of gold and straight into silver. Fast rotation. That is what's going to happen this year. You need to remember this. And the smart money are going to catch the early momentum. They're going to be positioned early in whatever asset class or stock or whatever. They're going to be there first. And they're going to load up on the move before retail does. They're going to scale in quickly. And then they're also not going to hang around. They're going to take profits faster. Because this is the year where narratives can flip really quickly. One day it's red and the next day it's green. One day it's white, the next day it's black. Things are going to flip really quickly. So you're going to have a lot of profit taking sooner than before. You're not going to be wanting to do those 10-hour trades, those 5-hour trades. You want to be 1.5 hour, 2 hours in and out. Nothing fancy, nothing trying to look like a genius. You want to take your profits quicker this year and secure it and move on to the next setup instead of being attached to the trade and all married to the trade idea. You want to cut that and you want to be quick and decisive with your entries and your exits, not be greedy. And of course, with all of this high velocity, your emotions are going to be up and down. They're going to be all over the place. And this is where it's going to expose a lot of retail traders and expose people that are more emotionally neutral. So if you've been working on your emotions, mastering yourself, doing the inner work, you're going to be all right. Regulation at this point for this year is more important than being intelligent or knowing your strategy so well or having the best strategy. It's all going to be about regulation. Your nervous system. Are you well regulated? Are you trading from impulse? Are you trading from ego? Are you trading to prove? For all the wrong reasons. You're going to have to really sit down and take a look at yourself. Do the inventory. Do the shadow work. This is the year. If there was ever a year for you to do the internal work and clear all of your negative patterns, all of your negative trading blocks, this is the year because it's going to expose bad behavior quickly. And it's going to reward good behavior very quickly. So this is the year you need to pay attention to. The fire horse doesn't create winners. It's going to expose who is well trained and who is wild. Let that sink in for a minute. If you're wild, you're reckless, you're all over the place, you're inconsistent, that's only going to become worse this year. This is the expansion energy. Either the good energy is going to expand or the bad is going to expand. You choose. This is important. Retail traders are going to be trading price, but the smart money, the billionaires, they're trading this cycle. They understand this cycle and things are changing. The tide is changing underneath you right now as we speak. This is the first day of the year of the fire horse, February 17th. Things are going to change. So I'm not trying to scare you off or anything. I just want you to become aware of how this year is going to play out, how you can benefit, where the hidden dangers are, where the opportunities are, and how you can navigate your way through this year successfully. And the best thing you can do is start by working on yourself and fixing your internal self, because the market is a mirror reflection of who you are inside. And if this is the year of amplification, then if you're a mess inside and you're all chaotic and you're all over the place, that is going to come out even faster. So you need to get regulated, you need to prepare yourself, and you need to do the inner work. This is what's going to separate you from the 99%. If this resonates with you, then of course check out the first link in the description. This is what I do with my students. We work on the nervous system, the subconscious programming. We reprogram your trading habits for automatic, better execution, so you don't FOMO, so you don't revenge trade, you don't go on a tilt. We give you clarity and focus, put you into flow states, and regulate your nervous system before you even open the charts. This is what we work on. If that's something that you want to do, then check out the link. But until the next video, you're on your own. Take care now. Goodbye.